Hello and welcome everyone to the walk around video here at YNC car of the 2014 64HXS M Sport 2-door coupe. The vehicle is presented in black sapphire metallic. Not only features the full YNC body enhancement package, but also a wide array of BMW optional extras. As you can see, we've got the engine iron xenon headlamps. Sitting behind it, the 18-inch M Sport alloy wheels are the M Sport Plus brakes, and on this 228i we have got the full M Sport Plus pack. Down the side we've gone for satin sidebars, YNC Mperformance decals. You'll also see on the rear windows the wonderful sun protection glazing as part of that package. Inside is the half Alcantara half cloth interior. The front seats are heated. There is also the Harman Kardon surround sound. We have got a 6-speed manual in this car, as you can see there, and I'll be able to show you more of the interior features in just a moment. 2-seat Isofix rear bench there, and as you can see just how nicely this vehicle's been cared for. The interior is in superb condition, much like the exterior. Round towards the back now, there's the gloss black rear boot spoiler and then a satin rear diffuser. For practicality, looks and of course drivability, the 2 Series are absolutely superb, and as you can see you do get that big boot for that practicality, as well as split folding seats. Round at the driver's side now, once again everything's lovely and clean and tidy. And we'll now just quickly take a seat inside and I'll run you through a couple of this vehicle's major features and functions. There's power folding mirrors as well, as you can see over here. It's covered just over 68,000 miles. So as I mentioned, there is front heated seats, which is a really nice feature to have. There's Bluetooth telephone for this car. There is also DAB, as well as of course a few other multimedia inputs such as Bluetooth, USB and AUX. There is also a DAB radio. Back at the main menu, if we quickly go through and show you the servicing requirements screen, you can see here the next oil service isn't due for 13,000 miles, and there is 3 recorded services from BMW currently on the iDrive, and we also have got some paperwork documentation for the car as well. As always guys, thank you very much for taking the time to watch the walk around. We do of course hope you found it useful. If you'd like some more information on the car, including prices and funding options, click the links below, and we'll look forward to seeing yourselves soon. Thank you, take care, bye bye.